Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best butane torch for soldering and welding that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sondiko Butane Torch with Safety Lock. If you're looking into buying a butane torch for your kids, safety features are the first priority. This small torch from Sandico was rated one of the best butane torches with over 21,000 reviews, and its safety features were highly rated by dozens of reviewers. The safety lock can be used with one hand and is excellent for smaller hands, while the broad base ensures it doesn't topple over. The extended nose and finger shield, in turn, protect fingers from the flame. This little blowtorch can be used to heat shrink tubing and wrap, and it is easily refillable with butane. To control the flame length or for continuous flame mode, simply turn the control knob. One customer, who uses this primarily for cooking and loved that it has a lock setting, expressed good safety features and lock. Easy to fill with fuel. Easy to turn on and use. Great value for the price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Power Probe Mount Butane Micro Torch with adjustable flame. Mechanics who need to use a butane torch in an auto shop need look no further than this Power Probe butane gas torch. Pros can adjust the flame size to reach a more precise flame or extend burning time, and lock the flame for a continuous burn. This Power Probe torch is one of the best butane torches for soldering with its electronic ignition system. Customers especially raved about its flame adjustment feature, the safety lock feature, and it was easily refillable with butane. One of the many 5-star reviewers described, "It lights almost every time, lets you adjust the flame from soft flame to a very strong torch lighter, and you can leave it on for up to an hour." Another added, "The main thing I like about this one is you can adjust it to a small stable blue flame. Stays steady even upside down, doesn't go whoosh, and change flame size like some others I have tried." At number 3, we have the Dremel 2201 Versa Butane Torch for jewelry making. The Dremel 2201 is ideal for finicky projects such as jewelry making with its flame lock button. The ignition button is incorporated into the unit for instant ignition, and it has excellent heat shrink capabilities and adjustable temperature controls. The Dremel 2201 Versa Flame Multifunction Butane Torch also comes with an attachable base for hands-free operation. Lastly, this unit includes 9 attachments for soldering, heat blowing, and deflecting, as well as flame diffusing, all ideal for jewelry making, and there's also a 1-year warranty. This torch is amazing, raved one shopper. If you make jewelry, get it. It has tons of add-ons which I am not entirely sure how to use, but it's awesome for soldering jewelry. Great control, easy to use, and works like a dream, while another added, works like a charm. And it comes in a great case. I have had some cheaper torches, and they just end up breaking. This torch comes with different accessories. I use it for jewelry. At number 2, we have the Bernz-O-Matic Butane Micro Torch. Contractors and construction workers will appreciate the features of this Bernz-O-Matic butane torch that includes a soldering tip. This micro butane torch flame has a 1-inch flame length, and its precision needle soldering tip allows for continuous use once users lock the flame, while its long burn time allows ample time for soldering. The adjustable flame temperature is reasonable at only 1200, which means this can also be used as a small torch. One customer wrote, "The flame is direct, controlled, and heats items very quickly. Soldering is more efficient." The nose attachment for converting this to a soldering iron works very well. On my torch from another manufacturer, I'd have trouble with the flame extinguishing while using the iron. No trouble with this one. And finally at number 1, we have the Master Appliance Anti-Flare Butane Torch. Metal workers can use this anti-flare butane torch from Master Appliance to weld, braze, solder, or desolder various metals. The removable base of this butane torch means this tool can be used either on a table, hands-free, or as a handheld torch. The adjustable flame allows users to increase or decrease the flame temperature, and, like most butane torches, if the electric ignition system fails, this torch can still be lit using an external flame for a continuous 30 minutes of burning time. One shopper, who has been buying this particular model exclusively for over a year, reviewed, "These torches definitely get a workout every single day. These have held up very well to the intense use. Much longer than some other brands have tried." Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.